when we were at the meetings there, Brother David, in March, we were going back to the hotel, and they had someone said, well, we'll have a certain person drive you. Well, he couldn't do it. He was gone. They said, well, there's another young man around here that maybe we could get him, somebody they knew. So we said, great. So he drove us, and we were headed back to the hotel. And so I asked him, he said, well, I said, what do you do? And his background, he said, oh, my dad's a Baptist minister. And he said, I'm Baptist until I started listening to Charlie Kirk. And he said, I'm now a Sabbath keeper.
Wow.
Because this, and that's why I came here today, because I wanted to hear more. I knew this topic. So he said, I thank you for letting me drive you, there, and we were able to talk. So I think we're going to see a tremendous influx of people coming to our church.